Moringa. What it is used for, benefits, properties, and how to consume. Moringa, also called the tree of life, is a medicinal plant used to help control blood sugar levels, treat some respiratory diseases, reduce anxiety, and promote weight loss. Reduces swelling of the legs and arms of people suffering from lymphedema or varicose veins and helps blood circulation. I suffer from lymphedema in both my legs and stomach. Thanks to moringa leaf powder shakes, I left the compression bandages. Also helps blood circulation and reduces the swelling of the legs and arms of people suffering from lymphedema or varicose veins. Moringa has a high content of vitamins and minerals such as iron, carotenoids, quercetin, vitamin C, polyphenols, and chlorogenic acid, which provide a powerful antioxidant, anti-diabetic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory effect. The most used part of moringa is the leaves, where the highest concentration of antioxidants is found and can be consumed in tea, capsules, or powder. In addition to the leaves, its seeds can also be consumed as oil. What it is used for, and what its benefits are. Moringa has several properties that could provide various health benefits, including 1. Increasing respiratory capacity. According to a scientific study, moringa intake could help alleviate the symptoms and severity of asthma attacks. This is because there was an increase in hemoglobin, and individuals showed improved breathing capacity. 2. Prevent diabetes. Moringa has properties that help regulate oxidative stress due to its antioxidant property, which prevents the damage caused by free radicals to cells and favors the reduction of blood sugar levels. 3. Protecting the heart. Being rich in fiber, moringa consumption could prevent cholesterol absorption in the intestine. In addition, this plant has several bioactive compounds, such as quercetin and polyphenols, which act as antioxidants and reduce chronic inflammation, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Regulates blood pressure. Due to tocopherols, polyphenols, and flavonoids, moringa could regulate blood pressure because it possesses vasodilator properties, which help relax blood vessels and improve blood circulation. 5. Promote weight loss. Moringa is a plant rich in fiber and proteins that help increase the feeling of satiety, decreasing the amount of food ingested and promoting weight loss. In addition, some animal studies indicate that it could reduce the amount of fat accumulated in the body. However, the mechanism is still unclear, so more studies are needed. 6. Prevent and combat anemia. Moringa leaves have a high amount of iron, so its regular consumption could favor the increase of red blood cells, hemoglobin, hematocrit, and total iron in the blood, preventing and combating anemia. 7. Increase the body's defenses. Moringa has antioxidant substances such as polyphenols, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, which stimulate the immune system and help fight infections and microorganisms. 8. Anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect. Thanks to its bioactive compounds such as isothiocyanates, quercetin, polyphenols, chlorogenic acid, and vitamin C and A, moringa could help reduce inflammation in the body, relieving the symptoms of diseases such as rheumatism, osteoarthritis, or prostate inflammation, for example. 9. Protect and moisturize the skin. Moringa is a very nutritious plant, as it provides vitamins C, A, and B complex, which promote collagen production, healing, and hydration of the skin, protecting it from damage caused by UV rays. 10. Improve the health of the digestive system. The consumption of moringa could prevent and treat the formation of stomach ulcers. It could also help fight constipation and hemorrhoids because of its high fiber content and its vasodilator effect, which improves blood circulation and relieves the discomfort caused by hemorrhoids. 11. Prevent cancer. Some studies indicate that moringa could have an anti-cancer effect because it could induce the death of cancer cells, mainly breast cancer and colorectal cancer. 12. Maintaining visual health. Moringa is rich in beta-carotene, a precursor component of vitamin A, which is vital for maintaining visual health. This vitamin must produce specific visual pigments to see the light spectrum. 13. Diminishing the effects of menopause. Because it helps maintain the levels of inflammation and oxidative stress during this stage, the consumption of moringa could generate a natural balance of the hormones that are affected during this phase, thus alleviating the symptoms of menopause. Properties of moringa. The properties of moringa include antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, anti-diabetic, vasodilator, anticholinergic, anti-rheumatic, antihypertensive, anti-obesity, antimicrobial, hepatoprotective, and healing action. Many of these properties are still under study, and the results are inconclusive, so they should be used with caution and preferably under medical supervision or by a health professional with knowledge of natural plants. How to consume it. Although there is still no proven scientific dose that moringa should be ingested, some studies suggest that the intake should be up to 400 milligrams daily to provide all the benefits mentioned above. It should be used to complement medical treatment and not to replace it. Also, in cases of diabetes and hypertension, it is essential to talk to your doctor before taking moringa because it may be necessary to alter the doses of drugs being used to treat these diseases. The different ways to take moringa are: 1. Moringa tea. Moringa tea is the most commonly used form of consumption because it is quick and easy to make and can be consumed anytime. Ingredients: 10 grams of moringa leaves, 250 milliliters of water. How to prepare. Place water in a pot over medium heat until it boils. Add 1 tablespoon of moringa leaves, cover, and let steep for 5 minutes. Strain and drink 2 cups of tea a day. 2. Capsules. The capsules can be purchased in health food stores or online stores and should be taken between 1 to 2 capsules per day of 200 milligrams per day in conjunction with meals. However, this varies according to the brand, so you should read the product labeling, as they may have different concentrations of moringa. As a plant under study, the specific dose for each of the diseases or benefits mentioned above has not yet been determined. There is only one recommended dose in general. However, the idea is to consult a phytotherapist, nutritionist, or doctor before ingesting it. 3. Powder. In the case of using moringa powder, it is recommended between half to 1 teaspoon per day, and it can be added to juices, preferably orange juice. Moringa has a similar, but slightly more spicy pungent flavor than matcha. However, over time the flavor grows on you. You could even prepare a tea with the powder. A packet of moringa leaf powder is available online at Amazon.com or in any supermarket or health food store. Americans, people especially the elder, are starting to pay more attention to moringa these days. Moringa is a plant that is currently under study in the United States, so it should not be ingested for more than 2 to 3 weeks, either in the form of tea, capsules, seeds, or powder, especially if there is no accompaniment of a health professional, because some people who are vulnerable to allergies reactions may cause unknown side effects. But, on the other hand, in the Philippines, this plant is used by 90% of the population to maintain a healthy life. Now, tell me, who do we trust besides God? India, many African countries, Latin America, Mexico, and the USA, Hawaii has the largest moringa farm. If you are skeptical, do more research and follow your instincts. Thank you for watching our video. GeoRam and our production team. Was this information helpful to you? Give me a like and subscribe to my channel.